So guys, dito po sa ChatGPT, ask po tayo ng code. Can you provide, okay, wala siya guys. So try mo natin refresh guys. So dito po guys sa ChatGPT, type po natin, can you provide a code for a calculator, GS, HTML, and JavaScript. So ito guys, para to guys sa mga nag-practice pa lang po sa coding. So maganda po ito guys para makatulong po sa pag-practice nyo sa pag-code. Ito guys, nilabas na po yung HTML. Okay, so hintayin natin guys matapos. So ayan po guys, nagbigay na po ng code si ChatGPT. So dito po guys, meron tayo ditong HTML and CSS, GS. So yung una nating ilagay is yung HTML. Make sure po na na-copy natin guys. Okay. Then, we're going to copy the CSS, the style. So, dito po sa CodePen guys, makita po natin na meron na siyang delete the number. So, lagyan natin yung CSS. So, ayan guys, meron na siyang sample ng model ng calculator. 5 plus 5. Tingnan natin kung magana. Hindi pa. 5 plus 5 equals. Okay, so tapusin natin. Lagyan natin ng JavaScript. Okay. So dito guys, lagyan natin JavaScript. Okay, so ito na guys. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5, so dito natin. 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay, sakto po guys. So ito po guys yung HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This time, mag-ask naman tayo guys kay ChatGPT na maglagay tayo ng style lagyan natin ng style yung calculator. So dito, add more feature or something more robotics, so ito guys. Okay, so ayaw, stop. So ito guys, so we'll update the HTML for you, style CSS, and modify the JavaScript for the additional design. Ito guys, nagbibigay na po guys. Meron tayo dito. Ito. So para po guys, makopy natin to, we're going to delete the code. Then we're going to copy this one, our new code. So HTML, to copy this one. Guys, ito guys, para to sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa coding, no? For you to have a practice. So ChatGPT. So this time we're going to copy the JavaScript, this one. Okay, so 'di ba? Meron na siyang design. Lagyan natin ng GS ng JavaScript. Tingnan natin kung ano yung design. Okay, so ayan ano. Medyo tumaas na siya. 5 plus 5 equals. Sakto. So try natin add color to the calculator. Okay. So we're going to add a color. This time we're going to copy the CSS. Okay. So naglagay siya guys ng kulay. Magbibigay po yan ng code. Okay, background color. So make sure guys, before kayo mag-copy, dapat sakto muna yung code na binigay. So dito, tanggalin natin yung dating CSS. Ilagay natin yung code. So ayan guys, meron ng kulay yung calculator. So delete natin to. Uh, delete. 5 times 5 equals 25. Delete. So try natin kung working ba talaga guys. Kung sakto ba yung binibigay ni ChatGPT na code. So far guys, sakto po yung code na binibigay niya. Okay? Thank you for watching. We have another code. Okay, ganun pa rin guys. We're going to copy the new code for the HTML. Okay, copy then. We're going to delete this one for our new code. Then try natin yung CSS. Same process po guys. Okay, we're going to copy the CSS. Nice. So nagbago na po guys. Okay, so last one is for the hindi pa pala tapos yung CSS. Okay, ulitin natin pag-copy guys para maganda po yung design ng calculator. Okay. Nice. So we have here the new design for our calculator. Then for the final touch, we're going to copy the JavaScript. Okay. Here is the final design of our calculator. Guys, so try natin kung gumagana ba talaga yung code na binigay ni ChatGPT. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Sakto. 5 times 5. Okay. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 5 divided by 5. Okay. Okay, so sample gumagana na siya guys. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Sana po marami kayong natutunan.